my research area is clinical psychology. So I'm a clinical psychologist by background in terms of my profession. So my research tends to be particularly focused on that. But I focus especially on adolescents with anxiety or related difficulties. So I'm really interested in understanding kind of mechanisms of how they work and what keeps them going. But also a lot of my research focuses on how we develop better treatments, psychological treatments for young people with anxiety problems, and other things like OCD or things that might be related. So that involves a range of different methods. It can be anything from doing qualitative interviews with young people or families to better understand a bit about what's going on for them, or it can be about doing sort of systematic reviews of the literature, using experimental methods, but also we do clinical trials, especially when we're evaluating new treatments. So, for example, we've recently done a study focusing on panic disorder in teenagers, which is really common but quite under-recognised. And then we've been doing a trial where it's randomised, so we've had 2 different conditions and we've evaluated a new treatment to see if it might be better than existing treatments. So, so we do a whole range of different things trying to much better understand sort of mental health problems.